What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can transfer money from the UK to China using Taptap Send. Now guys, if this is your first time sending money using Taptap Send, you're eligible to use a promo code that will give you extra funds on the transfer, so you can check the description of this video and use the promo code that you find there to get extra £15 on your first transfer. So you just input the promo code here. As you can see, I have some bonus credit, and then it will be applied on your next transfer. But now let's go ahead and continue. So the way that you transfer money from the UK to China using Taptap Send is, first you would need to select China as a recipient or a recipient country. So just go ahead and tap on this menu right here, and let's go ahead and select China, which is right here. Now, once you have China selected, here you would be able to input the amount of funds that you would like to transfer. And also don't forget to use the promo code right here. Now, as you can see, I have euros, but if your address is in UK, you will have pounds right here. And as you can see, the recipient gets Chinese yuan. So let's go ahead and input, let's say 20 euros, or in your case pounds, and let's go ahead and tap on next. From here, you would need to add a recipient, so let's just go ahead and select that. And here there are two different options which your recipient can use to receive money from you. So either Alipay or WeChat. So for this example, let's go ahead and select WeChat. Now here you would just need to input the first and last name of your recipient and their phone number, because we're using WeChat. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, after you inputted your phone number and the information of the recipient, you can go ahead and tap on next. Now you would need to select a purpose of your transfer. So in my case, I will select business support, and I will just tap next. Now you would need to select your passport. So because we're sending money from the UK to China, I will select the UK passport right here. Now, once you selected your country's passport, you can go ahead and tap on next again. And here is a complete roundup of your transaction. So now you would just need to select a payment method. So as you can see, my default one is Google Pay, but you can change it to your bank account, your debit card, your credit card, or any other financial service that you're using. So you do this by just tapping on change right here. Now, once you input the payment method, you can just tap on pay with that payment method and the transaction will be sent. So I won't do this currently because I don't want to finalize the transaction, but essentially the last thing you would need to do is just tap on this button, pay with your payment method, and then the transaction will be sent through. So essentially that's guys how you can send money from the UK to China. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.